Scotty, what are you doing?
Good morning. We're back again.
Is it morning?
Ow!
Hey, that's
I think I got that on camera. I need to edit in the laugh track.
Yeah, right. So, we're getting everything prepped. Got the new arm on. Just got to get everything tightened up. Getting everything set and ready to go.
Are you gonna stick it in the hole?
Yep. Next is going to be getting the gearbox.
Steering box and the rag joint, which we have.
Yep. That I already saw that. So everything's ready to go and prepped that way.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
and we have the new Pitman arm too. Remember?
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right.
So we have all that fun. So carry on, my wayward muskrat.
I will do my best. I know this one's going to be short because I just want to get this steerable. Movable.
Hey, while you have it up, why don't you grease everything that we didn't really grease when we had it in here last time? Let's just knock it out.
Oh yeah, yeah, we got it.
Okay.
You got it.
Just
and on that, whatever.
Tomato.
Yeah, lobster bisque, something along those lines.
Well, it'll kill me. Anyway.
Oh, not me. I love some seafood.
I can't have it. I'll die. Anyway.
So you guys that heard that, remember, just take care of me. What you do is you. Oh hey, hi Bobby. How are you?
Stinky shrimp, and then Scotty owns a shop. Wait, what?
Huh?
Huh?
Who are you again?
From my doggy biscuits.
No, we're doing Klondike bars now. We're out of Scooby Snacks are gone. We ran out of them. I haven't bought another, but the Klondike bars. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I heard you did some nasty things for Klondike bar. He's not so innocent.
I haven't been innocent since the day I crawled out of the womb.
Yeah.
So, okay, let me get back to work. Thank you, everybody.
He crawled out of the room. He fell out of the closet. You know why you left the closet? Because it was dark in there.
And I have to have light.
You are the light. You're my light. Because I would have jumped off the roof already today because I'm so annoyed. Anyway.
Love y'all.
Yeah, have fun with that. We'll just leave that comment where it is. 'Cause
right?
that has nothing to do with anybody in the building.
Nope.
It involves... Never mind.
Yeah.
We'll just leave it there.